Okay, today we come to our customer. Right now it's the Argon station. Now it's the plant layout. Okay. This is the VIGA 100 kg grade. You can see this is Skyline. Skyline's VIGA plant sold to our customer in 2018, and right now it's already running 2 years. So the powder goes to the furnace and then go to the gas chamber, and then after gas atomization, the powder will be transferred to the classification machine to different sizes, and then to the mixing machine. This is the gas station.